Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV telemetry from OBD to Google Sheets, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your electric vehicle is parked and turned off. Locate the OBD2 port in your vehicle, which is usually found near the driver's seat, under the dashboard. Connect the OBD2 adapter to the port, ensuring it is securely attached. Power on your vehicle to activate the OBD2 system. Download the appropriate mobile app that is compatible with your OBD2 adapter. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your OBD2 adapter with your smartphone. Once connected, access the telemetry data section within the app. Select the specific data you wish to backup, such as battery status, charging cycles, and other relevant metrics. Ensure the app allows for data export or has an option to connect to Google Sheets. If the app supports direct integration, follow the prompts to link your Google account. Grant the app permission to access your Google Sheets for data entry. Choose the spreadsheet you wish to use or create a new one within Google Sheets. Once the connection is set, start the data export process. Monitor the progress within the app to ensure all selected telemetry data is being transmitted. After the export is complete, open Google Sheets to verify that all data has been accurately backed up. Format the data within Google Sheets for easier readability, using charts and tables as needed. Set up a schedule or automate future backups, if the app offers this feature, to ensure regular updates of your telemetry data. Troubleshoot any connection issues by checking the adapter and app settings as necessary. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your EV telemetry data is securely backed up in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.